What is up, guys? Welcome back to Solo MC Rider. Hope you guys are doing fine. Today we have 2023 S1000XR. I really got a good deal on it. I was really looking to get the 2024 model, but the deal that came with I could not pass on. In 2024 and 2023, there is not much different. Plus, I got the M package with fully loaded with all the factory options in it and some goodies that came with the bike from previous owner. I will go over those mods and we will go for a quick ride. And you have the factory fog light, handguard, the quick shifter, the M endurance chain. Previous owner did quite a few modification on the bike. See those little carbon pieces here, right here, for the foot guard on both sides. There is a carbon piece here. BMW Akrapovic exhaust with full titanium Akrapovic headers installed by previous owner. Today we're just gonna go for a quick ride, hear the sound, and tell you a little bit more about it. Coated the bike for, as you can see, it says M logo at boot up. So let's hear the sound. So it's not a cold start. So as you guys can hear the sound, Akrapovic full exhaust system. And let's hear it. Hear the bike sounds so good. The headlights, so you can see only the daytime running lights are on. They're nice and bright. At night automatically the headlight comes on. So that's a good feature that European bike comes with. US bike doesn't come with that. So it was been coded to do that, which is great. BMW M motor screen protector, so a bunch of goodies. So all these things that I would have done to this bike when I usually buy a new bike, but that bike only had 1900 miles on it. Now has about close to 3000, whatever that is. Now let's go for a ride. The bike feels really good sitting on it, and I have the suspension settings at road. Yep, let's keep it at road because I'm not doing a sporty riding, but I want it nice and soft, and ride it in dynamic. Let's go for a ride. See, bike sounds really good. So I'm back to my S1000 bike. I originally had S1000R, same M packaged. If you follow me or follow my channel, like back in 2021, I bought S1000R for 2022 model, and I sold it when I came to Texas, and switching bikes a couple times since then. And I really miss the BMW S1000, the motor and the power, and also I wanted some comfort, so XR was always in my back of my mind. You, the power, oh man, this bike, I'm not sure if it's tuned or not. The way it rides, it feels like it's been mapped for the full exhaust system. So like the power is pretty much everywhere, so I think it is tuned. And bike feels really good. The throttle response and everything is just so nice. And if you watch S1000XR reviews on YouTube, there are tons of videos about this bike. There are good and the bads, and mostly is just good. And the bad, so I'm not gonna bore you with what's bad and what's good. You guys can find a lot of videos on that. But I just love this bike. The BMW quick shifter is the best. See, that's just crazy. So this is a sports screen. Looks like BMW OEM has the same screen, but they don't have the smoked versions. I have a huge one of those additional screen, like a visor thing that it clips on. When I go on a long tours or something, I can just clip it on. This is perfect right now. My daily commute and city ride, I want to feel the air on myself, and feels really good. I don't have any buffeting on my helmet. The tires on this bike, I'm not really happy with. So that's something that I will definitely want to change in next couple months. But they're so new, I just don't feel good about replacing them. And I don't know, the brand called Metzler or something like that. So never heard of this brand. But then it looks like the old S1000XR comes with these tires. Seem to be not as grippy like the Michelin Road 6 or Road 5 that came with my F900X. I love those tires. Hey, I'm in Texas. I'm not doing a lot of twisties, mostly commuting and road riding. So I think I want to put probably a couple thousand miles before I think about switching them. The electronic dynamic suspensions is just right for my weight. I think it's perfect. So I always leave all the settings in comfort, that it's very nice and soft. But I can click off a button, I can change it to the Sports Dynamic Pro. The wheelie control works very well. On dynamic mode, it just hovers off of the ground a little bit, and Dynamic Pro, then the wheels always want to just come up. Downshift. just hovers over, but it doesn't. It just cuts the power enough to like not gonna loop the bike, but it's great. Anyways, so this is going to be it for this video. I just wanted to make a quick short video on this bike. All the mods came with the bike, and so far I don't have anything to do on this bike, so I'm kind of bored what to do on this bike. It looks like nothing needs to be done, but I get my quad lock fitted, which my phone fits perfectly, and I lost my phone on the way back picking up this bike from those BMW phone cradle thing, so I had to get a new phone. Alright, anyways, this is it for now, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.